Hello guys, welcome to the part 5 of episode 2. In part 1 of episode 2 we learned about the count function and its family functions. In part 2 of episode 2 we learned about the if function and the nested if function. In part 3 of the episode 2 we learned about the countif function. In part 4 of the episode 2 we learned about the sumif function. And in this episode we are still using the same data sheet. So here what I want to find out the average sales done by the employees across every product category and also the overall average for only for achievers and for non-achievers. So I want to have the separate average for achievers. What is the average sales? For non-achievers, what is the average sales? That's what I wanted to compute. For this, as you guessed it, we need to use a function called as Averageif. Excel should perform average only if the condition is true. So it's similar to sumif function. We need to give 3 inputs, but instead of sumif, we are going to use the average if function. So you could see we need to give 3 inputs, same as range, criteria, and average range. Instead of sum range, we should give average range. So for product 1, it is the column G. The condition for achievers is A, and the average range is product 1 sales, and then I close the bracket. So the formula looks like this: equal to average if column G 4:G13, and then the condition is A. So because we are computing average for only achievers, and the data for computing the average lies in column C between the cell range in the cell range C4 to C13, and then I'm going to use average if for the non-achievers. The range is the same, comma, it is for condition is for non-achievers, comma, and the product range remains the same, which is for product 1. So it's the same formula, but then only the condition changes to capital N. This is the average sales done by non-achievers under product 1. I'm just going to click and drag, copy the formula till the end. So these are the average sales done by the employees across product 1, product 2, product 3. For overalls, we are not using the abbreviation N and A. Instead, we use the full form. So what I need to do is I'm going to just edit this formula. Instead of A, I'm going to use the alphabet achieved, and instead of N over here, I'm going to use the alphabet not achieved. So this is the average sales done by the achievers overall, and the average is done by the non-achievers. So I hope you learned how to do Averageif in this 5th part of the episode 2. With this, we conclude episode 2. We have learned the countif, sumif, Averageif. We have also learned if function and also how to use the if function in nested form also we have learned. These are some of the very commonly used functions in Excel which I believe that everyone should know. I hope you learned it. Please give your comments in the comment section. Give your feedback in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Let others also learn. I've taken very simple examples and very commonly used functions and formulas, and I am teaching you here. So please, these are very basic, and if you at all you are using Excel, I believe you should know these basic things. So please join me in episode 3 with some exciting functions. Until, thank you, bye bye.